Choosing storage solutions that are fit for purpose and at the right price is far from simple. You need a reputable supplier that's 100% committed to independently audited standards. When you choose a SEMA distributor company, you're choosing from a group of carefully approved suppliers. And as you probably already know, SEMA is the leading authority on the safe design, installation and use of storage equipment manufactured and supplied by our members. We work in partnership with regulatory authorities such as the HSE and CSCS. Our influence and contributions form part of legislation in defining new British standards. Our SEMA distributor group members adhere to certain key standards. Storage schemes are properly designed to meet SEMA's codes of practice. Where circumstances allow it, materials and equipment are sourced from reputable SEMA manufacturers. Installation is undertaken by SEA's installers, who must attend refresher courses. Full health and safety procedures are adhered to, and on larger projects, these must comply with the construction industry's CDM regulations. Still not sure you're choosing the right firm? SEMA distributor companies must be independently audited, which is unique in this industry. SEMA distributor companies are part of the SEMA family of associations, which together ensure the safe design, supply, installation and inspection of storage handling systems. While SEMA leads on design and manufacture, SEMA distributor companies plan and install storage solutions. SIACs are SEMA-approved installation companies. SEAs are storage equipment registered installers, and SARIs are SEMA-approved rack inspectors. Together we have your best interests covered. How can we help you? An SDG member can deliver the right solution to enhance your business to the correct standard at a fair price. We understand your requirements and are client-focused. Most importantly, we offer safely constructed and creative cost-saving solutions. We are technical problem solvers who aim to deliver exceptional customer service and to take the weight off your shoulders. Whether it's a fully automated pallet racking system you require or some simple shelving, our product range includes pallet racking, shelving, conveyors, mezzanine floors, commercial interiors. Sold on choosing a SEMA distributor company member. Choose from one of our expansive network of SDGs across the UK and you're covered. Your investment will be safe and sound and your project will comply with safety and best practice.